September 28th, 2020, on your own. Directions: evaluate the following expressions. So, number one, we have in the quantity of 27 divided by 9 times 2 squared. So, this first one up here, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So, we need to solve what is in those parentheses. So, I'm going to highlight that. And in the parentheses, we have 27 divided by 9, which is what? I know 27 divided by 9 is 3. So I'm going to write down that 3, and I'm going to bring everything else down. So that times 2 squared. Do we have any more parentheses? Nope, we're done with the parentheses. How about any exponent? We do. We have an exponent here. So 3 times 2 to the second power. I can use my little wand over here, and I can go beep, 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 beep. There is our exponent, so 2 to the second power. What is 2 to the second power? Yeah, I know that means 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So I'm going to write down that 4 and bring everything else down that we did not use yet. So do we have any more exponents here? Nope. I'm going to put a check mark there. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yeah, we do. And how do we go about that? Oh yeah, from left to right. Beep, 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 beep. We have 3 times 4. Well, what is 3 times 4? I know that is 12. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to see, oh, our answer is going to be 12. Are we done with our multiplication and division? Yes, we are. Are we done with our addition and subtraction? Yeah, we don't have any of that. So I'm going to check all of those off. And our final answer here is 12. All right, let's take a look at number 2. 4 squared minus 2 times 3 plus the quantity of 2 times 4. So a lot of times when you hear that quantity, that means you're going to have parentheses because it's going to be whatever's in those. So in this problem, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. And let's find out where our parentheses are. Beep, 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 beep. There's our parentheses. So our parentheses are right over here. And inside the parentheses, we need to solve everything inside those parentheses. Now, what is 2 times 4? Easy peasy, that's 8. So we're going to write that 8, but bring everything else down that we did not use yet. So we have the 8 is what the value of 2 times 4 is. And then we're going to bring everything else down. So that 4 squared minus 2 times 3 and that plus sign. That math operation, that plus operation. Now, now we're going to take, oh, come on, go back. Whoa. There we go. Now we're going to take a look, and do we have any more parentheses in this new equation here? Expression, I'm sorry. No, we don't, so I'm going to check that off. What about exponents? Yes, we do have exponents. Where's our exponent? There it is. What is 4 squared? Oh yeah, that means 4 times 4. I know that's 16. So I'm going to bring everything else down after I write that 16. So I have that 16, 16, and then that minus 2 times 3 plus 8. Do we have any more exponents? Nope, I'm going to check that off. How about any multiplication or division? Yeah, and how do we go about that? Oh yeah, from left to right. So let's get our little magic wand. Beep, 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 beep. There it is. So we have 2 times 3. There, that is going to equal what? 2 times 3. That's going to equal 6. So I'm going to write that 6 down. And then I'm going to bring everything else down we didn't use. So that's 16 minus, and then that plus 8. Do we have any more multiplication or division down here? Nope, so I'm going to check that off. What about addition or subtraction? Yeah, we've got both. And how do we go about that? Oh yeah, from left to right. All right, let's go from left to right and see which we have first. Beep, 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 beep. So we have 16 minus 6. What is 16 minus 6? Oh, that's easy. That's 10. So I'm going to write down that 10, and then I'm going to put that plus 8 there because we did not use that plus 8. So bring it down because remember, we're family. We cannot leave anything left behind. So now, do we have any more addition or subtraction? Yes, we do. So we're going to go from left to right. Beep, 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 beep. There it is, 10 plus 8. So that 10 plus 8 is going to give us what? 18. Perfect. Do we have any more addition or subtraction? Nope. Do we have any more order of operations to do here? Nope. There's our answer. It is 18, and we have completed our order of operations.